Today's video is a very simple DIY that you can prepare at home. We are making a homemade vegetable spices. This is very simple to put together and absolutely very important that you can use it in all kinds of recipes. Hello everyone, you're watching Queenvarieties channel. On my work surface, every vegetable has been prepped and neatly cleansed. We are going right into it. For the first item, you will need spring onions. You're going to dice it into little chunks. Set it aside. Next, I have carrot. For the carrot, I've gone ahead to scrape the skins. Everything is neat. You're going to also do the same thing by making sure you cut it into little chunks. This is to enable the drying process to work appropriately. I will also be using some paprika peppers. We're going to repeat this step. For these ingredients, the same thing we'll be doing, just dice, prepare them, prep them, and make sure they are all chunks of little sizes. I will also be using some onions. You can feel free to use any vegetables of your preference. We're not going to include any meat or chicken for this recipe. We're just sticking to only vegetable spices. Guys, trust me, this helps to elevate your meals. Combination of ginger and garlic. The same step we are going to repeat. You're going to chop them into little chunks and then set them aside. Of course, if you're watching my recipes, you know I can't do without fresh parsley, basil and rosemary. This is a must in anything I do, so include that here. I will also add some celery. Celery is going to give it that different kind of flavor. At the same time, it's going to help elevate the flavors of your meals. In case you want to steam vegetables, or you want to steam chicken, beef, or any of those kind of things. So everything now is ready. We are going to dry this, place it on the sun and dry it for at least 4 days. Okay, it depends on how sunny the area you live is. For me, I live in a very cold region. I'll be drying between 4 to good 1 week. So you can dry this for 1 day or 2 days, or you can even oven dry it between 6 to 8 hours. Sometimes it can take 12 hours. Alright, my fabulous friends, you're welcome back. This is exactly 1 week after I have dried everything. Like I said, I live in a very cold region, so it is very difficult for us to find sun here. Now everything is now ready, completely dried, and it looks beautifully amazing. So we're going ahead to crush it. I'll transfer to the blender and make sure everything has been included right in there, because you don't want to lose it. Can you imagine the quantity we have at the end of the drying process? This is to tell you that all our vegetables contain a lot of water. This is all we have right in there. So into my blender, I'm using the Home Geek blender, 2500 watts. It has done the job as smooth as possible. I'll transfer to the sieve and have it neatly sieved. This is it, guys. This thing here, it smells incredibly amazing. There's a gorgeous aroma that comes with it. You're going to love it. You use this to spice your proteins. So into the spice mixture, I will include salt. The salt is going to help elevate the flavor of your dish. Okay, I'm going to mix that right in and we are all set. You see how simple it is to prepare spice mix. So in case you want to do any business, trust me, you can start with something like this. And when you compare this with your Knorr cube, you can see that there is no much difference. I have been using this every time to steep my proteins or to cook. Guys, the flavor, your jollof rice, your fried rice, the flavor is incredibly amazing. Store in an airtight container and leave it right there in your kitchen. Make use of it anytime you want it, and that's it. So thank you so much for spending time with me. Remember, variety is the spice of life. If you love this video, please stay subscribed. Until I see you next time, bye for now.